Today's bull session concerns why and how to do Singapore flip. Hello friends, this is Sanjay Arora. By profession, I am an advocate. I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel Legally Determined. A flip or externalization is a tactic of the incorporation of a holding company in a different jurisdiction in order to gain certain benefits not offered by the home countries, such as getting tax benefits, reducing currency fluctuation risk, getting more benefits such as subsidies and grants, etc. The company should undertake the flip at the early stages of the company's development respecting market value. Companies secure substantial market shares, then consider flipping. Flipping helps identify the offshore jurisdiction to flip where the consumer base is in majority. Albeit there may be some bottlenecks concerning high tax incidents and costs for moving intellectual property and the key promoters outside the home country. Companies flip to Singapore since Singapore, with its economically sound and politically stable regime, along with fair and reasonable tax regulations, and the government increases the free markets with extremely efficient banking and financial services, makes it a popular jurisdiction for companies to flip. In terms of holding structures, companies operating in the Asia Pacific region chose Singapore as their holding headquarters because Singapore has a full imputation tax system, meaning thereby that corporate profits are only taxed once. There is no tax for dividends at the holding level from the Singaporean subsidiaries, and no withholding taxes with regard to the distribution of dividends either to residents and non-residents. Residents are the shareholders residing in Singapore. On the other hand, non-residents are the shareholders residing outside Singapore. Flipkart is registered in Singapore because of its relaxed corporate tax structure and the ease of doing business in the country. The pre-2017 investments in India are exempted from the capital gains tax. Treaty between Singapore and India continues to provide exemption on the transfer of a capital interest in an Indian limited liability partnership, also known as LLP. Concerning IP, intellectual property holding, the concessionary tax rates on the royalty income and other income from IP are given in Singapore. Singapore has signed tax treaties with more than 80 nations, and hence it is a very suitable place to carry out business, specifically in Southeast Asia. How to flip a startup to Singapore? The first step is to Singapore flip is to incorporate a private limited company in Singapore, which is the holding company. Such a company is mandated to choose an activity from the SSIC, Singapore Standard Industrial Classification. The activity of such a holding company must be the same as the existing company. For instance, for a tech company, the choice of such activity may be information technology or e-commerce. The second step is to open the bank account of the company. For this, the founders or the directors of the existing company have to travel and complete the requisite KYC, know your client details in Singapore. The company will get the services of internet banking, MasterCard or Visa card, along with multiple currency options. Third, share transfer or asset transfer. For shares transfer, two steps have to be followed. First, transfer all the shares of the existing company to the holding company through a share transfer agreement. Second, immediately issue the shares in the holding company to mirror the holdings that had been held in the existing company. Benefits. First, the holding company can capitalize on the existing company's value in its share capital. Second, the holding company can avoid taxation on capital gains since the value of shares being transferred and received are the same. The company enters into a share subscription agreement with the incoming investors and shareholders agreement with the existing and incoming investors. The share certificate is processed physically with signatures as per the first schedule part 2 of the Electronic Transactions Act. The holding company owns 100% of the existing company's shares. Second, asset transfer. This method of asset transfer is used only in case of any legal or commercial issue with the share transfer. This method of asset transfer is more complicated, hence it involves the sale of individual assets from the existing company to the holding company. This method of asset transfer involves the transfer of intellectual property, key assets, and the corporate leases, contracts, and all the employees of the existing company to the holding company. Such transfer requires the consent of third parties. The existing company has no assets other than the shares of the holding company or debts from the holding company used as the consideration for the asset transfer. The share transfer method follows the standard procedure, namely stamping, appropriate registration requirements under the Singaporean law. Check how the transfer of shares is to be recorded for accounting and tax purposes as there is no exchange of cash. Reviewing all the existing contracts before flipping a company to Singapore is significant because share transfer may have a change of control or liquidity under existing contracts or financing documents or leases. All the convertible note is a debt instrument that can be converted into the equal value of shares or cash. Issued to the investors have to be reissued by the holding company as well as the existing founder vesting agreement. The share option plan has to be the share transfer plan has to be terminated and has to be restated at the holding company in accordance with local laws. For instance, the employee stock option plan has to be cancelled and a new ESOP, employee stock option plan, given the law of Singapore, has to be made. The introduction of the VCC, Singapore Variable Capital Companies legislation in Singapore is a game changer for the fund management industry within Singapore and across the Asia Pacific region. So we have discussed why and how to do a Singapore flip. Many thanks to you for watching this video. Thank you. Good luck. Goodbye. Please share, comment and subscribe my channel Legally Determined. Thank you. Have a nice day.